How import project or lower third Alight motion to Lumafusion.
Open Alight Motion and make a lower third motion graphics. Then select the background as transparent. Now we export it. When exporting, keep sure we export it on H265 HEVC codec. Now open Lumafusion and take that video, which video over we want add lower third. Now we add that exported lower third video on Lumafusion and add over that video. Now we adjust it as where we want to add it. Thanks for watching. For more, subscribe Deep VFX.